This tutorial guides you through managing loaded and unloaded items within the Loadvis workspace. You will learn how to access detailed views, interact with cargo groups, and utilize visualization tools for effective load management. Click Loading Plans to open the section where you can view all current loading configurations in the workspace. Click Detail to access a more comprehensive view of the loading plans and item specifics. Click Loaded 104 items to see the list and details of all items that have been successfully loaded. Click here to explore additional options or details related to the loaded items in the workspace. Click Unloaded 496 items to review all items that are currently not loaded and grouped accordingly. Click 9. Distribution Cabinet 100 x 80 by 40 cm 50 items to view the specific group of unloaded items stored in this cabinet. Click 50 items to examine the individual items contained within the selected distribution cabinet group. Click Unloaded Cargo 496 items are currently not loaded, grouped by, to access detailed information about the unloaded cargo grouping. Click here to interact with additional features or settings related to the unloaded cargo items. Click here to delve deeper into the specifics of the unloaded cargo and its organization within the workspace. Click 10x to modify the quantity display or multiplier for the selected items in the workspace. Click Play to begin the playback or animation of the loading sequence or cargo arrangement. Click here to pause, stop, or adjust the playback settings for the loading visualization. Click 2D Guide to switch to a two-dimensional guide that assists in visualizing the cargo layout. Click Scheme/Manifest to view the detailed scheme and manifest documents related to the cargo and loading plans. Click 80 by 60 by 20 to choose the specific cargo dimension for detailed inspection or adjustment.